In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off back tap on your iPhone. Back tap is a feature that allows you to perform certain actions by simply tapping the back of your phone. While it can be convenient, some users may find it unnecessary or accidentally trigger it frequently. If you are one of them, follow these easy steps to disable back tap and regain control over your device. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, under the Physical and Motor section, tap Touch. What you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap where it says, Back Tap. To completely turn off back tap on your iPhone, first tap Double Tap, and then tap and select the None option. Then go back and tap Triple Tap. Tap and select the None option. So now, when you double tap or triple tap on the back of your iPhone, nothing will happen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.